Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video, and today we're looking at the Urban Armor Gear civilian case. Urban Armor Gear is a pretty well-known brand. I believe their Monarch line is probably one of the most well-known one. They're usually known for their kind of outrageous military style, very rugged looking designs, but a few years ago, they released a civilian line, which is a little more discreet and more normal looking, but is just as protective. So this offers 20 feet of drop protection, and the orange right here and the corners you'll see is lined with what they call hyper cush technology. It's supposed to kind of absorb and disperse the shock when you drop the phone. So yeah, and it's also backed by their limited lifetime warranty as well. So yeah guys, I do have more cases coming in, so please subscribe. I have more accessories. Hit the bell notification, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and I'll have everything linked below. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, how you guys feeling about this case, if there's another case you want me to review, and whatnot. Anyway, let's check it out. So that was the box. Opening it up, you have this little opening right here, so I'm just going to assume that you pull this up and we are met with the case. So let's get it out. Ooh, it's in there real tight. Okay, now, I don't know about you guys, but this orange, I'm liking this orange accent. I mean, given the time of year it is, kind of has that Halloween vibe, but yeah, it also kind of has that Apple Watch Ultra vibe to it as well with the orange. But anyway, let's kind of take a look at it. You'll see on the inside right here, the hexagon pattern or the honeycomb pattern is right here. The orange stuff is what they call their hyper cush technology. It's patent pending. Military standard ratings right there for you to know. You can look that up if you want. You got their branding logo right there, and also right here. I kind of wish that it wasn't so out loud with their branding on the back, because I do kind of like the way it looks. I like the design of it, but I just feel like a lot of times when they put their branding out big like this, kind of takes away from it. Like, they want you to know who made it. And anyway, I guess it's part of their marketing, so I guess you can't really knock them. But anyway, let's put the phone in. Let's see how it fits and what it looks like. So I got my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's a very snug fit. It is not a thin case, by all means, but compared to their Monarch and other more rugged cases, this is relatively thin. So, I mean, let me just wipe my phone down real quick. But I mean, it's nice. I mean, it's got a good solid feel. It does add a little heft to the phone. It's not bad, but it's kind of slippery. I can see why they added the 20 feet drop protection. Like, not to be mean, but it is not one of the more grippier phones. You have to know that. And the buttons are huge. You see the volume buttons. There are slits right here. You can put your fingernail in them and you can fit them, which means you'll have clicky buttons. Let's listen. So they're clicky. The volume mute rocker is good. Lay on the table, it's good. You'll have a little bit of lay on the table protection right there. And then you have a little lanyard loop on each side, depending on your preference. The cutouts are nice. I do like the cutouts, how it's not the same size on each side, but they, kind of make it up the same as, they make it the same size number of speakers on each side, with a generous port for cutout for the lightning port. You got the little speaker lid cutout right here at the top. The camera protection, ever so slightly, there is a little bit of protection in the camera for the camera lenses. So this, doing this will be fine. Doing this will be fine. Let's see the sides. The sides are very tight. Very rigid, so you won't have to worry about this thing loosening up over time. So yeah, I mean, getting it out is pretty easy. I mean, it is a rigid case, so there's going to be some resistance, but getting it in and out won't be that big of a deal. Hey guys, just want to check out the MagSafe strength as well. So this does support MagSafe. So I do have my Apple MagSafe wireless charger. Let's just slap it on. Okay, so my apologies. I thought this supports MagSafe. It doesn't, but it does support wireless charging. So there you go. It does support it. The magnets, there is no connection whatsoever. So you just got to get it lined up. Because look, if I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to try to find the sweet spot for this charger. Oh, there you go. It does kind of snap into place. You do feel it. But if I'm going to be honest, like, you see where it snaps in? But there you go. The magnetic strength is probably one of the weakest I've seen. Definitely weaker than the D-brand grip case. So that just kind of gives you an idea of where it's at. So I would not want to use this with a MagSafe stand or use this with any MagSafe accessories that you carry around with you. But yeah, so this has been the Urban Armor commuter case, Urban Armor Gear commuter case. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. I'm always down there trying to respond to you guys as much as possible. If I'm a little late, my apologies. But yeah, thanks for checking out today's video. Take it easy, guys.